Hey everybody! I decided, you know what? I just started another project. Actually, it's an old project, but I just got back on it, and I was like, wait, why am I not recording? You remember that I broke through the Nether roof for the first time in my life? It was a while ago. I did share it, I believe, in an episode many months ago. But then I, created an ice trail from one portal to the other, so that I think first it was Funland and Glimmercrest that we connected. So we just fly through the Nether, saves on time, saves on rockets. But the plan was to create, an actual boat highway between the Nether portals. Well, I did actually go ahead and break through the roof at Selkirk, so I got the roof portal there, and I've connected them. I've connected all three portals with ice. Now it's just the, you know, filling it all in, make and creating the highway. So I figured I'd go ahead and show a little bit of that. It's just a simple highway, and that way we can get in between cities quickly, and even not have to use rockets at all. So we're not constantly running out of rockets anymore because, I mean, we don't spend that much time at Glimmercrest, so the farms don't build up enough gunpowder, stuff like that. And I haven't even built my gunpowder farm at Selkirk, so I'm having to constantly go to Glimmercrest for gunpowder too. So instead of using so many rockets, see, what I'm trying to do is not waste this because it costs a lot of ice to make packed ice. There's a Glimmercrest, I believe. It might be Selkirk actually. I don't remember. Get a little switched around when I'm up here in the middle of nowhere. I guess I should have gone. Why don't I do that? I'll go ahead and fill this in. That way I don't have to go all the way back. Because I was already starting to fill it in, but then started. I hope guests don't spawn up here because that would stink really bad if they blew up my ice highway. Wow, I didn't realize I went this far. Okay, there we go. See, I was already doing the 3 rows. I don't know why I quit. The middle row is the original connection link, I guess you'd say, that I used to show, okay, which direction do I go to get to each portal. But yeah, hope y'all are having a good day today. I was helping Mr. Lonely Fox the other day work on his dojo. Oh shoot. Okay, glad I got a silk touch. Hopefully that works. Yep, that works. That still works. Um, and he's coming along. We'll have to show it here pretty soon. I mean, you've been watching him build it in his episodes from his point of views, so you already know it's coming along. I don't like these. I like the ones. Twos I have to kind of stop. Yeah. No. But once I get back to the portal, you'll see how I'm setting it up. Basically, we just hop in a boat and we go sliding. But there's also going to be light and a guardrail, so we don't go sliding off, and those pigmen don't get in our way because they do spawn up here every great once in a while. See, this is how I do it. Let me make sure. I'm pretty sure that's Selkirk. I already got a highway going that way to Glimmercrest. Okay, yeah, that's Glimmercrest. That's to Funland. I'm at Selkirk. All right, now we go switch to this. Hey. Let's go back. Hey. All right. And, oh, what did I do? What did I do? Okay. I'm doing it 3 apart. No, I don't want you to do that. Why you gotta do that? I like the little bit of light the torches are giving. Doesn't feel so forlorn. I'm gonna have to get a whole bunch more warped wood. I can already tell. I don't know. I may actually be able to make it to Funland. It's just Funland, whether you're going to or from Funland to Glimmercrest or Scotland, it doesn't matter which. Funland is the farthest one away from both of them. Scotland and Glimmercrest are a lot closer to each other on this highway, so it's. I don't know why Mr. Lonely Fox decided to go so far away to build Funland. But oh well. We're solving the problem of travel. Because Funland's not that far from Selkirk. It's farther from Glimmercrest than it is from Selkirk, but still, it's quite a few rockets that I have to use up when I fly from Selkirk to Funland. So this boat highway is going to come in handy. No! Why would you do that to me? Why? Why? Just threw off my rhythm. To you and you. Hopefully this is recording. You ever wonder, like you set the recorder and then you're wondering, wait, did that actually go through or not? I think what I'll do is I'll finish this stack off and then I'll do 2 stacks back. So I'm having 3 stacks. I'm not gonna make it all the way today because I gotta go get more warped wood. But that's okay. I didn't think I would. At least I won't this episode. Once I'm done, or once I run out, I'll go ahead and end the episode and do some wood chopping and more building after, off camera. Because I know it can get monotonous. You just watching us build this stuff. We need to come up with another adventure. Like raiding a fortress or a bastion or dungeon. Maybe we find another dungeon. That'd be cool. I was telling Mr. Lonely Fox like all the building I've been doing in Selkirk of late kind of has me a little bit burned out. I'm still going to try to keep building the projects, but maybe not at the pace that I have been. Which is kind of funny because I told him that, and then shortly thereafter, I was helping him build his dojo. So it's like I can't take a break from building apparently. And now I'm building this highway, but this is not as this is much simpler. It's not as complicated as some of the buildings, and because I'm building those automatic warehouses, and that redstone stuff is pretty complicated. Even with a tutorial, the tutorial that I use, it's like okay, I'm stopping and going and replaying back and forth to make sure I got it right, so I don't have to completely redo something. But this is okay because this is a simple build. Um, it's just laying the ice, the railing, and the torches. And I can't talk and do things at the same time. I've noticed that this recently. Hence why I usually don't record when I'm building something, because I know I get quiet because I'm focused on building, which I've already talked about. Not to mention that when I'm using a tutorial, I'm switching back and forth between YouTube and Minecraft, so I can't record that way. All right, we are making progress, y'all. This is exciting. Yeah. I think what I'll do is finish this stack on this side and then use the other stack for the other side. That didn't make it very far. Maybe I'll use the last stack for one side. Should I? That is the question. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. I'll have a lit up highway a lot longer if I do it this way. Go ahead and light it up. And I think I'll go ahead and use up the packed ice on the rest of the highway. Pretty sure I'm almost done with that, so whether I run out first or finish it first, that's when I'll end the episode. We do need to record some more episodes because I think we're about, because, we like to schedule these episodes ahead of time. But I think we've caught up with the ones that we have scheduled already. Wow. Okay, they didn't last. They lasted about as the warped wood lasted about as long as I expected it to. I knew I'd end up having much more ice than railing until I went and got some more. Here, let's do this first. Oh, shoot. Threw off my rhythm. And there we go. This is Funland. This way goes to Glimmercrest. This way goes to Selkirk. Alright. We're on our last stack. So I may not even reach. That's okay. Oh, so close. So close. Oh well. Well, I guess I got some work to do. So thanks for watching, y'all. I'm excited to show you the work when I'm done. I may or may not record another episode of me just doing this. I may just go ahead and show you the finished product, but we'll see. I'll see you in the next episode. Have a great day.